Introducing the Thin Rip Guide. This new tool provides a perfectly safe stop on the offcut side of the blade and delivers the same sized strips over and over again as you move your fence closer to the blade. The Thin Rip Guide works on the offcut side of your blade, making it safer than methods where the thin strip is between the blade and the fence. The Kreg Drilling Guide makes it easy to create perfectly straight holes without using a drill press. You can get precisely positioned holes with just a hand drill, featuring 6 hardened steel drill guides from 1/8 to 1/2. That do the work of holding your drill in position for you. The guide features an ergonomic design and Kreg Grip Max material that ensure it stays in place as you use it, so your drill bit won't wander off your mark as you start the hole. The drilling guide also automatically centers on the edge of 3/4 wide and 1/2 wide boards and plywood, so you can drill holes that are perpendicular to the edge and perfectly centered. Use the drill guide for all kinds of tasks, whether you need a hole for driving a screw, mounting hardware, helping create a dowel joint, and much more. Get an extra helping hand for installing cabinet doors with the Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. It makes the job of installing cabinet doors a breeze, whether you're working with face frames or frameless cabinets. It works with both left-hand and right-hand doors. The jig features a support arm that helps you hold the door with one hand, while your other hand is free to mount the hinges to the cabinet. The Cabinet Door Mounting Jig also allows you to position your cabinet doors precisely. Adjust the support arm to one of the 9 different positions to get your doors placed exactly where you want them. There's one setting for inset doors, and 8 more at 1/4 increments, so you can support doors that overlay the cabinet face up to 2 inch. The Cabinet Door Mounting Jig comes with 2 micro adjustment shims for even more fine tuning. Use one shim to move the door up by 1/16 or 1/8, or combine both shims for 3/16 of adjustability. Turn any drill into a 90 degrees driver with the Kreg 90 degrees pocket hole driver. This compact drill attachment allows you to drive screws in places you couldn't normally reach with your drill. The included 3 inches square drive bit has a magnetic tip that locks into the head of a pocket hole screw and won't slip out, so you can drive screws with confidence, no matter where they are. This attachment works with all hex shank bits, making it great for more than just pocket hole screws. With an ergonomic design, the 90 degrees pocket hole driver is easy to hold in place with one hand while you control the drill with the other. It's also impact rated for use with an impact driver. Whenever you need to drive screws in tight spaces, count on the 90 degrees pocket hole driver to get the job done. Add perfectly spaced shelf pinholes to your projects with the Kreg Shelf Pin Jig. Hardened steel drill guides ensure precision for level, wobble-free shelves. It comes complete with a 1/4, 6 mm, high-quality brad point bit. Drill guides are centered on standard 1:1, 4, 32 mm, spacing and feature a lifetime warranty. Whether you're adding shelves to existing furniture, or building from scratch, creating the holes is easy. Use the fence to align the jig with the edge of your workpiece for straight, accurate rows. Quickly drill 6 holes in one setup, or connect a second shelf pin jig to drill longer rows of holes with the same consistent spacing. The jig also has useful features for installing concealed cabinet hinges and drawer slides in frameless cabinets. Molded in alignment marks and an indicator window help align mounting screws for hinge plates. Set at standard backspacing for a 32 mm cabinet system, which also helps with locating the front hole for drawer slide installation. The Fast Deck tool is designed primarily for decking boards with a thickness of 28 to 34 mm and can be adjusted from 95 to 150 mm decking board. Fast Deck tool provides a distance of 2 or 3 mm between the decking boards during installation. If there is a need for greater distance between the decking boards, Fast Deck spacer is used. The M30 Plus allows you to move away from a heavy tape measurer and focus light on your work. In complex work environments, the M30 Plus eliminates all of this hassle when you feel uncomfortable with your hands and want to use tape measure without burden. With the Magpie M30 Plus, you no longer need to feel tired from carrying around your old heavy tools. You need only this compact laser distance measurer M30 Plus. 3 in, 7.7 cm super compact size and 40 grams. 0.08 pounds. 2-class laser, under 1 milliwatt. The 810 ProLaser Nail Gripper is a handy and easy-to-use home improvement tool that lets you line up shelves, pictures, cabinets, tiles, wall coverings, mirrors and more and safely hammer in nails. The 810 ProLaser Nail Gripper has a pressure-activated on and off switch which projects a highly visible laser line when set against a flat surface. The laser has a range of up to 20 feet, 6 meters, so you can line up your fixtures in relation to any point in the room. Two integrated level vials let you clearly align the laser horizontally or vertically. The 810 is designed with a patented rubber grip which firmly grasps any size nail or hardware for safe and easy nailing. The 810 comes with a magnetic wristband that gives you quick and easy access to nails or hardware once the laser is in position. Developed to complement each other, the adjustable counterbore makes perfect and clean holes to be filled with the wood plugs, eliminating the need for glue. Both counterbore bit and plug cutter are made for quick change chucks. A great all-around finish sander, the DTS 400 is designed for fine sanding small corners, edges, and other angular surfaces that are difficult to reach. With a short 5/64 2 mm stroke, this sander gives you a super fine finished surface.